channel. It's a beautiful day here in California, and today's video I'm going to share with you. I got a new gift for my honey, and that toy is my favorite toy. So let me show you what I got for my gift. It's one of my favorite SUV. What we can say? Another car. It's a G-Wagon. It's very nice and beautiful SUV. I love it. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
That's my lady's homework. This is very nice G-Wagon. I love it. It's a very nice color. It's a beautiful. And I'm going to bring you many more videos on this G-Wagon. I'm going to do the facelift. The bumpers, headlights, LED lights, the marker lights, parking lamps, console, I mean, name it. So please stay tuned for coming videos. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.